I'm good, I'm chillin', what's not, you know. Streets ain't fair, who the fuck cares? Nobody dies cause they living off of dirty money. Quantilegua, I'm from the dirty money. What she know about raps from the elite clan? When she know I've been rapping since way back then. I still kill beats like it ain't no thing. Now my jam still trying to do my thing. What you hearing on the streets ain't real no more. So I keeps the G cause I need my raps. I don't play when I'm out here, boy. I be knocking niggas out like I'm Mike Tyson. Nah, these niggas ain't real no more. They be doing the same shit, man, I like that. See them attack, them I confuse. Me not care about man, me say job please. Yeah, we get the money and we not pray. Fire bonja, no man a hustler. You talking about rap, you talking about me. When you see me run your way, holla bad blood. Let me tell you how to do it, say what it do. Let me tell you how to do it, say what's up. I'm from the place where niggas don't give a fuck. We say fuck the police and we stay up. All my niggas say what's up. When they see a nigga riding, they say what's up. Hey, I'm just trying to be that man, you know. All my niggas say what's up. When they see a nigga riding, they say what's up. Hey, I'm just trying to be that man, you know. Hey, when they talking, I talk back. I'm so old, my nigga, I don't fall back. These rap niggas don't rap, nigga, no way. And I don't really give a fuck what you all say. I be doing my own thing the whole way. Fuck the beat up. When I pretend that he out, fuck those two cops, nigga, I got five. Got beef, my nigga, let's step outside. I don't got time for rapping, I'ma beat your ass out. But you know time is money, better stack up, nigga. You never find me hanging in the club, nigga. Unless it's part G's, squad, nigga. God knows I'm a G, now I'm play out here. Why you hanging in the corner when it's drop out here? It's time for our head, better get your shit together. So you can live comfortable. My niggas say what's up. When they see a nigga riding, they say what's up. Hey, I'm just trying to be that man, you know. All my niggas say what's up. When they see a nigga riding, they say what's up. Hey, I'm just trying to be that man, you know.